These crochet items are selling out so fast, people are putting them in their carts before they even finish reading the listing. And if you've ever sat there wondering why your work isn't moving while other sellers are restocking every week, this video is going to change something for you. I've been deep in the crochet selling space for a while now, and I've noticed something really clear. There are certain home decor items that just hit different. They're not complicated, they're not made with expensive yarn, but they photograph well, they feel good in a home, and people want them badly enough to pay real money for them. Today, I'm walking you through the ones that are consistently selling, the ones buyers come back for, the ones that show up on bestseller lists, and the ones that I think are seriously underrated right now. Let's start with something that a lot of people overlook because it sounds too simple. Crochet coasters. I know, you might be thinking, really? Coasters? But hear me out. A set of 4 or 6 crochet coasters in a neutral color, think cream, sage green, dusty terracotta, goes for anywhere between $10 and $25 on platforms like Etsy. They're small, they're quick to make, and when you bundle them up with a little piece of twine or ribbon, they look incredible. People who are decorating their homes right now are obsessed with that handmade, cozy, natural look. Crochet coasters fit perfectly into that vibe. And the best part? They take maybe an hour to make a full set if you already know your way around a hook. You can crank out multiple sets in an afternoon and every single one can go straight into your shop. Now, here's something that actually surprises people when I bring it up. Crochet wall hangings. Not the complex tapestry kind that takes 3 weeks. I mean the simple boho wall hangings that use a wooden dowel and chunky yarn, maybe a fringe at the bottom, maybe a simple textured stitch for the body. These are genuinely flying off shelves right now. Interior designers are using them in bedroom photography. People are hanging them in nurseries, living rooms, above headboards. And because they look so impressive, buyers feel like they're getting something really special, even though the actual pattern is not that difficult once you've done it a few times. What makes them sell so well is the visual impact. A wall hanging fills a wall beautifully in photos, which means sellers get incredible product shots, which means more clicks, which means more sales. If you haven't tried making one yet, start with a simple one. Neutral yarn, wooden dowel from a craft store, a basic mesh or textured stitch, and long fringe at the bottom. That alone will look stunning hung on a white or light-colored wall. Price it between $30 and $60 depending on size, and you'll find buyers pretty easily. Let's talk about crochet plant hangers next. This one's been around for a while, but it is absolutely not oversaturated. Not even close. Plant parents are a huge, dedicated buying group, and they love adding handmade pieces to their home. A crochet plant hanger holds their trailing pothos or their trailing string of pearls, and it adds a layer of texture and warmth to any room. They're also easy to customize. You can offer them in different lengths, different colors, with wooden beads or without, and because they're lightweight and easy to ship, sellers love them too. You can make a decent-looking plant hanger in under 2 hours once you're comfortable with the pattern, and they sell for anywhere from $15 to $35 each. If you set up a 3-pack listing, you can push that price even higher. Now, I want to spend a good amount of time on something that I think is criminally underrated right now, and that's crochet kitchen towel toppers. These are the little crochet pieces that attach to the top of a regular dish towel so you can loop it over an oven handle or a cabinet knob. They're practical, they're adorable, and buyers absolutely love them, especially buyers who are shopping for gifts. A crochet dish towel topper takes maybe 45 minutes to an hour to make. You sell them attached to a basic cotton dish towel from any dollar store or home goods store, and the whole thing comes together as a really cute, functional kitchen gift. Price these at $12 to $20 and watch how fast they move. Because people are constantly redecorating their kitchens or looking for housewarming gifts. It's one of those items that's always relevant. Another one I want to bring up is the crochet table runner. This sounds like a big project, but it doesn't have to be. A simple open work lace table runner in a natural or white cotton yarn looks so elegant on a dining table or a coffee table. Buyers who are into that farmhouse or cottagecore aesthetic will pay a really solid price for a handmade table runner because it's the kind of thing that completely transforms how a table looks. You can make a shorter version, like a coffee table runner, and that's a totally valid and sellable item on its own. Longer dining table runners sell for more, obviously, but even a shorter 40-inch version can go for $25 to $45. The stitch work doesn't have to be complicated. A simple shell stitch or a classic V-stitch lace pattern looks absolutely beautiful in a fine cotton yarn and photographs like a dream. Let's talk about crochet baskets and storage pieces. These are probably the most practical home decor items on this whole list, and practicality sells. People need storage in their homes. They want it to look good. A chunky crochet basket made with a thick cotton rope or a t-shirt yarn looks modern, it's sturdy, and it fits into almost any room. Nurseries especially, parents go wild for handmade storage baskets. A good-sized basket can sell for $30 to $70, and buyers know they're getting something that would cost just as much at a fancy home store, except yours is actually made by hand. If you want to expand this idea, crochet storage bins for desks, crochet makeup brush holders, crochet wine bottle holders, these are all variations on the same idea, and they all sell really well. Now, I want to mention something that's a little different but has been gaining a lot of traction, and that's crochet lampshades or pendant light covers. These are exactly what they sound like, crochet pieces designed to go over a basic pendant light kit, or even over a plain lampshade. The crochet creates this beautiful dappled light effect when the lamp is on, and it looks absolutely stunning in bedroom or dining room photos. If you've ever seen those bohemian-inspired home photos on Pinterest or Instagram, where the lighting has this warm, textured shadow pattern on the ceiling, a crochet lampshade is usually what's creating that. They're not a quick make, but they command really high prices. A well-made crochet pendant lamp cover can go for $50 to over $100, and buyers who want that aesthetic will happily pay it because they cannot find something like that in a regular store. Here's something important I want you to think about no matter which of these items you decide to make. The difference between an item that sells fast and one that sits in your shop for months is almost never the item itself. It's the photo. A crochet coaster photographed on a plain wooden table with a coffee mug next to it and some soft morning light coming in from the side, that sells. The same coaster photographed on a busy tablecloth under harsh overhead lighting, it doesn't. Take your time with your product photos. Use natural light whenever you can. Style the scene so it tells a story. What does this item look like in a real, beautiful home? That's what buyers are actually buying. They're buying the vision of how their home could look with your piece in it. Also, think about the color choices you're making. Right now, earthy, warm neutrals are dominating home decor. Cream, off-white, warm beige, rust, sage, mustard, dusty pink, and deep olive are all colors that are moving really well. Bright colors can work too, but if you're trying to sell fast and broadly, neutrals are the safe and smart choice. When in doubt, look at what's trending in home decor on Pinterest. Whatever color palette you see in the most popular home photos, that's what your yarn should look like. One more thing before we wrap up. If you're selling these pieces, think about bundling. A set of coasters, a matching table runner, and a small decorative basket in the same color palette can be sold together as a home styling bundle, and you can price it higher than if each piece were sold separately. Buyers love that. It feels curated. It feels like a designer put it together for them. And it makes their buying decisions so much easier because they don't have to do any of the matching work themselves. Bundle listings also tend to get more visibility on platforms like Etsy because the higher price point can signal quality to the algorithm. The crochet home decor market is not slowing down. If anything, more and more people are leaning into handmade, natural, cozy home styling, and crochet fits right in the middle of all of that. The items I've gone through today, coasters, wall hangings, plant hangers, dish towel toppers, table runners, baskets, and lampshades, these are all items with real, consistent demand. Pick one or two to start with, get comfortable making them fast without losing quality, nail your photos, and get them listed. If you want to see more videos like this one, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one.